Okay, hi everyone, this is Alessandro Raspa. I'm Italian and I've been playing drums since I was very young. I played these fantastic Collision 5A drumsticks and I really appreciate the extra length of these drumsticks because standard 5A are too small, 5B are too heavy for my hand, and Collision 5A are the right choice. Why Collision? First, for the high quality of their products. Second, because Collision is a great community with a great customer service. And third, but very important for me, because Collision is made by real people. You can call, you can send an email, you can send a message, and they will reply for sure. Okay, now I'm going to play a song from the latest album by band OH exclamation mark EH question mark. Very strange. The song is called Amadeus Jean. Our music is focused on the lyrics, so my drums act as a tight and geometrical structure for the voice. Okay, let's go.